I think it's worth investing in when the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when, oh God, when there's like these little moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. Got hers, I get mine. We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is a fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, lost the momentum. Said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is, and I'm not one to trip or flake. If the plot got thick and we got off script, I won't just dip, I stay. Let the incense float out and defenses go down. Let the pot get big. If I lost my chips, I'll process it and say it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I go ride. Hold tight. That's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
I look for a seamless openness and conversation and vulnerability. Those are the things that make me feel connected to somebody.
You said don't knock walking. We spend all night locked in. Couldn't pick a movie, got too goofy, then hit pause on talking. Just a little vignette, cap with a little finesse, yeah. Laugh with the mint on your breath, with the pen in your left and the other on my neck active. Make me wanna say and do big things, moving. Locking the tempo all through the rental after the pencil. Soothing past that, yeah. What's the plan? I know it's a new one, lots to improve on. Gotta just take the chance, it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
我现在是在头份，这个是头份很有名的鲜肉汤包 ，Google 是2600多折，4.5分哎，
夸张哎，
现在算很高分哦。
实力就好的啊，排足久。
他现在还好没有排很久啊，他动作很快，他6颗65，可是还蛮大颗的。他现在不能内用啊，所以他的那个酱料跟那个葱啊，他的招牌的葱都是他给你固定的。不然以前我看那个 Google 相片，很多人都那个葱夹到满起来，看不到那个汤包，很夸张。可是我觉得它的那个内馅啊，不像我们吃到一般的那个小笼汤包的内馅。以前小笼汤包的内馅是很细致，它这个就有点像那个肉包葱肉包的内馅，所以它的绞肉是比较大块，吃起来真的很像那个肉包葱肉包的那个肉包的那个
皮是较像汤包吧？
皮嘛无像咱去吃迄汤包足薄迄种，
讲鼎泰丰那种，
较高一组啊。
不过也长安那样夸张的。你比这个胖面，我巴肚枵。今年吃较紧，我要吃啦。
还算不错。
我一直在吞水。
这个是蛋花贡丸汤，35块。
几粒？2粒啊
？2颗贡丸。
还有蛋花，还有啥？海菜。就这样。嘛还 OK 啦，35。另外啦。
古早味啊。
古早味的。还 OK 就对了。
还可以啊，可是蛮甜的。可能就是大众口味啊。
人地就是爱甜啊。
这个我应该可以再稀释1倍吧，以我吃那个甜度，我应该会再稀释到1倍啊。
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
还是是一个变数啦。
Play it safe.
内面底啊，佮不底啊侪呢。无伫搞咧卖饲料诶，啊呀，我看到啊，系啊，大家算一个。
外面有啊，酸菜这个有，花雕鸡也有，这个好像没有看过。
可以啊，
对不对？
我这样，
叫鬼
啊？叫鬼。
雪菜，背着。
你有看过吗？
我就做这个买泡面的，三杯鸡耶。
干的。
这广告有看过吗？
好像没有，只有前面那2个我有看过。
这嘛是大面。
这3个我们都有吃过嘛，然后这个来之后就没吃过了。
买迄无价贵。
等下去哪里？
哎呀，搁买一个椰胖酒酿。
青梅风味啤酒，3%的，就软的跟这个脆皮的一个，要吗？那就这个哪一个？啊，这2个哦。
对啊。哎，毛边呢？有一家吗？有哦。